I wonder what should I do this vlog right here with. Should I do it with the GoPros? Should I have a drone shot in it? Should I go old school with it? Does it matter about the audio in it? Should I mount this to anything? Use microphones? Should I use my G7X? I think I'll use this one right here. Oh my God, look at all the fuzz. Woo! The fuzz, the fuzz, the fuzz, the fuzz. For all you lazy suckers out there that can't get your socks on in the morning, or you just too big, or your back hurting and you can't get them on, go and get you one of these sock sliders. Look, it's new. Comfortably put on and take off your socks. It's a two-piece design. Located at Walmart. Hey Tab, you see this raggedy phone? We on the phone. We vlogging on the phone. Damn! Bootleg, bootleg, bootleg. Y'all stay your ass in there. You people with high blood pressure out there, stop by and get you the Color Doctor. See, it gives you a clear and accurate blood pressure reading. Look at it. Blood pressure monitor with color-coded alert system. Located at Walmart. Hey y'all, listen! Hey, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell until the next time I upload another video. This is another mini vlog. Holla!